Hi guys, we're starting off today with the Smashbox Cosmetics 15-hour wear hydrating foundation. Now this foundation is full coverage and I like it a lot. It's one of my favorites. I'm in the color 3.05. You can actually kind of build this foundation up, but ladies, I wouldn't recommend building it up as much because it will look cakey. So right now what I'm doing next is basically showing you guys how flawless this foundation is. This foundation is just so bomb and flawless. Next, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette. I like this palette a lot. It has so many colors in it, and I get to create so many different looks for you all. And right now, I'm going to be tapping into the shade Majesty. And I'm tapping into this shade because this is going to be my transition color for the look that I'm going for. We're going to go for a matte brown look today. So right now it's going to take me pretty much of a minute to get this blended all in. You want to make sure that if you're going for a look like this, you're going to make sure that it's totally blended inside and out. Outer corner going towards the inner corner, just windshield wipe motions. Next, the color that I'm going to be using next is this brown shade. It is called Duchess. I almost forgot. It's in the color Duchess. It's a really nice matte brown color. So yeah, I'm blending it out right now. Just blending all the harsh lines out. And it took me a minute to blend this out, y'all, to really get the look that I was going for. Yeah, I really was going for this look, and I just had to do so much blending, and it takes a lot to blend this out. And considering the fact that I'm a makeup artist, I have to make sure that all my looks are on point, and I have to make sure that I slay, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. So next, I'm going to be using my favorite concealers, and that is the color Toast, and the other color is Medium Beige. Now, the Medium Beige is basically, my normal, I think I was listening to Lil Wayne. But anyways, it was basically my normal medium beige, regular concealer coverage, and what I'm using to contour is going to be my Toast. That's the name of it, is Toast, and LA Girl Pro HD Concealer. And I'm going to be using that to cream contour. So right now, I'm just going to head and concealing my face up, making sure I had all the blemishes and everything, because I really want this look to be flawless. I really want this look to be HD. And I got, yeah, for real, for real. I was really like taking some music breaks, like for real, for real. I don't know why. Is it me? Like, I wonder, do any of you guys listen to music while you're like vibing? Because I have to have like my R&B music and my little rap music, my little gangster music while I'm doing my makeup. So yeah. Next is my favorite bronzer, and this is by Rimmel London. It's in the color Sundance, and I usually use this bronzer because I just really, really like it. It's one of my favorites. I like it because it's waterproof and it does not fade. And also to bake, as you guys can see, I use my Makeup Revolution Banana Deep Medium baking powder, setting powder, or whatever. And like I said, that does cause my skin to be like a little yellow, but I think it's the color of the powder that makes it yellow. But yeah, so it really gives me the highlight that I really like after setting my under eye concealer. Yeah, so right now I'm just gonna have bronze my face up, and I'm using the bronzer underneath my lips because I want like a nice little pout. Next, I'm going to be using this Too Faced, the chocolate Gilded collection that they had. And yeah, I'm using that to kind of like, contour everything up. That comes off like a grayish chocolate color, if that makes sense. But I'm going to take care of all of that. So yeah, I'm just basically setting my, cream contour. I use like at least two bronzers. I don't know why I like using two bronzers, because I feel like using two bronzers will definitely give you the definition of high cheekbones, as long as you use as little as possible. So I really wanted to talk through this last step of this beautiful matte brown smoky eye that I came up with. I already applied my blush Nudes by LA Girl. You guys know that I love LA Girl. LA Girl is the bomb. So the two lip combos that I love to mix, which is absolutely becoming my favorite, are the NYX Lingerie Push Up Long Lasting Lipstick, and this is in the color Teddy. And this color is also by NYX Cosmetics, and it is in the NYX Lingerie, and it is in the color Honeymoon. So I mix these two up and I get like a bomb matte chocolate lip. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So yeah, so basically I just take it. Okay, and this is actually retractable. I got this from Target for about $8.99. I don't know why they're so high. I actually thought they were $6.99. And then when I went to the counter and got my receipt, I looked at my receipt and it said $8.99. I was like, whew, yeah. So this is in the color Honeymoon by NYX. It's the NYX Lingerie matte lipstick. So this is the final look. And these are the two lip combos that I use. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do like a lip combo type of video, you know, whatever. And I will get that up for you guys as soon as possible. But I have not been consistent with my channel, so that's why I'm like, oh, I gotta get these videos up for you all. So yes, this is the final look. I did my own hair. I'm a hairstylist too. So this is, oops. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. It's a nice matte brown look that I came up with, strictly drugstore. The only thing that was not drugstore was, if I can find it, was my Smashbox Cosmetics foundation. It's a Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour hydrating foundation. You guys already know I did a video a while back about this foundation. I think I did a review. Yes, I did, using this foundation, and I told you guys how, you know, how good this foundation really is, how much it blends in with the skin, and the fact that it's waterproof, it's sweat proof, and I think it's perfect for fall, especially around this particular time. And I'm in the color 3.05. I actually still have the box, and it's proven to last for 24 hours. I love this foundation. I've had it for like, it's oil free. So for my oil girls, my oily girls that's all oily, this is like perfect for you. I'm just gonna do like a little touch up, but it is like the perfect foundation, especially for like in the summertime too. Yes, I am loving this foundation. I am so loving this look. So if you guys actually want like a tutorial, another tutorial, I will definitely have that up. I thought this would be like the perfect look. So beautiful for like a matte fall vibe on a look. If you want to go outside, you know, if you want to go to like, you know, the park or something like that, or if you want to go be cute, just to be cute, just to be cute. This is like the perfect look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also make sure that you follow me on my Instagram, which is Pretty Yellow TV. Pretty Yellow TV, that's it. Anybody else, that's not me. But Pretty Yellow TV, that's my Instagram. You guys follow me on there. Yeah, I also have a Twitter. And I can't think of the name of it because I have not been on there in a while. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.